The Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, is home to the exquisite interior design project, Bulgaro Rosso, situated on the 103rd floor. This project encompasses a complete renovation of a 4,494 square foot penthouse, showcasing a lavish use of materials and meticulous attention to detail. As you enter, you are greeted by a captivating artwork on the wall, surrounded by Tapetex wallpaper. The flooring and walls are adorned with stunning full-height camouflage marble. Corridors on either side of the entrance lead to various spaces, separated by enormous concealed marble-clad pivot doors. The first corridor leads to a spacious living area with two concealed structural columns wrapped in striking reddish-orange leather from Pavoni. A circular living space sits between these columns, resting on dark Cadorin parquet flooring. To the left is a circular dining area with a marble top and eye-catching glass chandeliers. To the right, there's a relaxing space with a Giorgetti Flamingo table, armchairs, and a white grand piano. Behind the living area, you'll find a custom freestanding bar counter clad in bronze metal and calicut violet marble. The bar counter extends into a fully clad marble wine cellar behind glass doors. The walls feature storage spaces concealed behind a large curved sliding door with Tapetex wallpaper. All these spaces offer panoramic views of the Dubai skyline through expansive windows, controlled by motorized curtains. In the TV room, the television is mounted on a stitched leather wall, offering a unique perspective of the city below through large windows. The kitchen features black marble on the counter space, backsplash, and cabinets. Behind it, hidden storage spaces are revealed by De Castelli's blue-green and bronze metal-clad pocket doors. The master bedroom boasts a curved dressing table made of grey oak wood, complementing the room's elegant design. The master bathroom features travertine greige marble on the walls and floor, while the wash basin, counter, and bathtub are crafted from forest brown marble. The walk-in closet is adorned with dark Cadorin parquet flooring and Tapetex wallpaper, housing custom-made wooden closet space and pull-out drawers. Each bedroom in the penthouse has leather-backed walls, each with its unique theme, adding a distinctive touch to the space.